my name is Haley. Welcome back to my channel and my kitchen. I feel like really happy today, but anyways, today I'm gonna be making some grilled chicken that's marinated with soy sauce, ketchup, garlic, and ginger. Oh, and brown sugar too. So it's pretty simple, and I'm just gonna show you what I do. Okay, so the first thing is I'm using boneless, skinless chicken breast. 2.76, so almost 3 pounds of that is 4 big chicken breasts. So that's what I'm using. And I'm gonna mix up the concoction right now, the ingredients to marinate it with. Okay, to start off, I'm gonna use 1 cup of soy sauce, and I'm just gonna pour it into this bowl. I'm gonna add some ketchup. I don't really know what measurements are gonna be right, so I might have to add more. But I'm gonna do, let's see. Yeah, about half a cup of ketchup. Yeah, half a cup of ketchup. Just pour it in there. I'm gonna add in some brown sugar, like 1 cup of brown sugar maybe. Shit. Have to get some more. Okay, about 1 cup. I'm just gonna put in a little, this is the ginger and garlic I always get. It's like, what do you call this? It's already pre-ground, and it's really convenient because it lasts a long time, and you don't always have to buy those, you know, the little bulbs of garlic, so you can just put this in the refrigerator, and it's good to go for a long time. I'm gonna do like a tablespoon of garlic. About a tablespoon of garlic. And about the same for ginger. Yep, about a tablespoon. Okay, now oh shit. Now that you have all the ingredients, you're just gonna mix them up with a fork or a little, I don't have one of those little mixer things, so I'm just gonna use a fork. Let's get it all mixed up. I might add some more soy sauce. This should be enough, but I might add a little bit more. Okay, now that you have that all mixed up, you're gonna put in the chicken breasts. They look like this. I think this is gonna be perfect. I just want them to all be covered up, like evenly distributed or whatever. Yeah, I think this is gonna be perfect. And I just want to say, you can marinate it for like overnight or like 8 hours or whatever, but I'm just gonna do 2 hours hopefully. But I'm just gonna cover this with aluminum foil and put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so I forgot to put in the damn oil, so I have to take that off and put the oil in. I'm just gonna put in some canola oil, and I'm not even gonna measure it, I'm just gonna put some in. Not too much. Gonna wave these chickens around, get it mixed up. Alright, now I'm gonna put them back in the refrigerator. Okay, so the chicken marinated for 2 hours, and now we're out here on the grill We preheated it to 250 degrees, and it's got to cook for about, how much? Like an hour and a half?
Yeah, hour to hour and a half.
An hour to an hour and a half.
That's supposed to be
Yeah.
165.
The internal temperature has to be 165. And we're cooking on the Pit Boss Pro Series grill.
That's it.
Alright, that's it. Ain't that right, Randy? That's what you said.
Whoa, we're getting sideways out here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, shit. Whoa.
How long have they been cooking?
30 minutes.
Okay, the chicken's been cooking for 30 minutes, and we're about to flip them in 1 minute, and we're gonna put on some asparagus to see, frozen asparagus to see how it works. I put it in tin foil with some oil, salt, garlic powder. They're at 140 degrees right now.
Yeah, 140 is the optimum flipping temperature.
Hold on, don't open it yet. Okay.
140. Optimum for all meats to flip. Wow, look at them jokers. Oh yeah, look at them stripes. Oh yeah, look at them striped meat. Oh, slide them up.
We gotta put the...
Pack them in there real close together.
Where do you want me to put it? Get them over a little bit more. Let me put it on this side. This is the asparagus. There, that's good.
I hope so.
Anyways, now what's the verdict, Randall?
Now we wait till it gets to 165.
So that's probably gonna take about
30 more minutes.
30
And then
minutes.
we sear it, which is blacken it.
Okay.
We'll see you in 30 minutes.
The chicken's at 165, so now we're gonna make it crispy on the outside.
You have to tell them how long it's been.
How long has it been?
Hour
It's been an hour
and 5 minutes.
and 5 minutes. So now we're just gonna turn the heat up and get them crispy
You
on
wanna
the
check
outside.
The asparagus first?
No.
Whoa.
Wow.
Those cut.
Did you turn the volume up too?
350.
He turned the temperature up to 350.
Oh wow, slippery. slippery little buggers. Wow,
I'm gonna take this asparagus out. Should I?
I don't have no idea.
Give me that plate.
Smells pretty good.
Put them on the thing. They're done.
Oh wow. Let's check this out.
Wow. It looks like asparagus is cooked. What is it? Oh,
Smells
you can
good.
smell it. It looks good. I think it might have worked. Okay, I'm about to taste it. Oh, fuck. Are you ready?
Mm-hmm. What are you going for?
Chicken?
There you go.
Wow, that's even better than last time.
That's good.
That's way better than last time. I did it different this time. And this is just white rice. And I like boiled it and made it in a pot. And then I put this on top.
Nasty.
It's really good. And that's the asparagus. It turned out really good. This was frozen. And we just put it on the grill and grilled it. Very good.
2 thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching this video.